Okay, it's a couple of days since the last time I was working on the 2000, and as you can see, I've got the short block on the cherry picker here, and once I got it on the cherry picker, I put the hydraulic pump drive gear on the back of the camshaft. Got that torqued in. There's a cover behind here that goes on. I've got that in place. And I've got the rear plate on the back of the block. I've got my new pilot bearing installed. Now I'm ready to hoist the flywheel into place, which is a pretty substantial piece of metal there. You can see on the floor, I just got done giving it its final cleanup with the brake clean. I need to get that on there, get my clutch setup installed. I need to change my throwout bearing. I put the new throwout bearing on there. Then I will be ready to hoist this thing onto the tractor. Flywheel bolts get torqued to 110 foot-pounds. Come on, I know you're there somewhere. Here we go. Okay, flywheel is all torqued on. Okay, I'm ready to put the clutch back together. And like everything else, it's heavy. You know, for a little tractor, it sure is made up of a lot of heavy components. But anyway, you can see these blocks in my new pressure plate. As I understand, well, they keep the PTO clutch loose so I can get everything aligned up. Got my alignment tool here. My understanding is, I guess I get everything in place, get the alignment tool through both of the clutches, then get the bolts in the pressure plate, tighten them up a bit, and then knock these spacers out before I get it all completely tightened up. I think that's the way it's going to go, so let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's see. Springs go out. And oh, we got to clean this up a little bit. Should have done this earlier. Oh well. There we go. All right. Got the alignment tool through both clutches and into the pilot bushing. So I'll see if I can go ahead and get some bolts started. Okay, one bolt started. Once you get one, the other ones should follow. Okay, there we are with two. Okay. Woo! And away it goes. One more. And there they are. Okay, pressure plate bolts get torqued to 15 foot-pounds, which means we use the little torque wrench. Yeah, that's relatively close. Oh, there you go. it was a little more stubborn than it needed to be about going back together. But we won in the end. I've got one more little thing I want to do on this, and you'll see that in a couple of days. I'll post a short video in a couple of days. But other than that, this will probably rest here until after Thanksgiving. I'm going to drop the cylinder head off at the machine shop in a couple of days, but with corn harvest coming up and chopping fodder and just generally getting ready for winter, I'm probably not going to have a chance to work on this until after Thanksgiving, kind of what I'm planning. So look for a short video in a couple of days. Other than that, we'll pick up the Ford 2000 Revival project after Thanksgiving. So for now, everyone out there, have a good day.